Given that 90 all over x is equal to y and x minus y is equal to 9, we have to find x plus y. For us to find x plus y, we need to make use of these two equations to solve for the values of x and y. After solving for the values of x and y, then we take their sum. If we take the first equation, 90 all over x is equal to y is the same as 90 all over x is equal to y all over 1. This is simply the same as if we cross multiply x times y gives us xy, put the equal to sign, is equal to 90 times 1, which remains 90. Call this one equation 1. We go now to the second equation, which is x minus y is equal to 9. Then if we make x the subject of formula, by transferring negative y to the right hand side, x will be equal to 9 plus y. We call this one equation 2. Next, we are going to put equation 2 into equation 1. That means in equation 1, we are going to replace x with 9 plus y. That is 9 plus y times y will be equal to 90. Next, we are going to expand this bracket. 9 times y gives us 9y plus y times y gives us y squared is equal to 90. Next step, we are going to transfer 90 to the left hand side. This will give us y squared plus 9y minus 90 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We are going to solve this quadratic equation by making use of the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula, y is equal to negative b, where b is the coefficient of y plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4. A is the coefficient of y squared times c. C is the constant term that we divide by 2a. Next, we have to get the values of a, b, and c. Comparing y squared plus 9y minus 90 equal to 0 with the general form of a quadratic equation a y squared. In this case, the variable is y. Ay squared plus by plus c equal to 0. If we compare, our a will be equal to the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, our b will be equal to the coefficient of y, which is 9, and our c will be equal to the constant term, which is negative 90. We are going to insert them in the quadratic formula. That is, y will be equal to negative, according to the formula, there is a negative sign. Then we insert the value of b, which is 9, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 9 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 90. Then we divide by 2 times a, 2 times 1. This will be equal to negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 9 squared. 9 times 9 gives us 81. Negative 4 times 1 gives negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 90 gives us positive 360. We divide by 2 times 1, which is 2. This will simply be equal to negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 plus 360 gives us 441 all over 2. This will simply be equal to negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 441 is equal to 21 all over 2. We cannot be working with addition and subtraction at the same time. So either y will be equal to negative 9 plus 21 all over 2, or y is equal to negative 9 minus 21 on 2. First one, negative 9 plus 21 is simply equal to 12 over 2. 12 over 2 gives us 6. For the second one, negative 9 minus 21 gives us negative 30 over 2. Negative 30 divided by 2 gives us negative 15. Y is equal to 6, or y is equal to negative 15. Knowing the values of y, we can find the values of x. By making use of equation 2, in equation 2 we know x is equal to 9 plus y. We take the first case for y equal to 6. X will simply be equal to 9 plus 6, which is equal to 15. So this is the first value of x. We take the next star, 2 star, for y equal to negative 15. X will be equal to 9 plus negative 15, which is simply equal to 9 minus 15, which is equal to negative 6. We have the various cases when, first one, when x is equal to 15, y is equal to 6. So in this case, x plus y will be equal to 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 gives us 21. We underline. We go now to the second case, case 2, when x is equal to negative 6, y is equal to negative 15. X plus y will be equal to negative 6 plus negative 15. Negative 6 plus negative 15 gives us negative 21. Line the answer. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 21, or x plus y is equal to negative 21. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, you leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.